Aziz muxlislar, siz FIFA.uz saytini kuzatyapsiz. Biz ayni paytda Rio de Janeyrodamiz. Biz bugun San Paulodan keldik, lekin diqqatimizni o'zimizga tortayotgan holat ko'rib turganingizdek bugun namoyishlar bo'layapti. Namoyishlar haqida biz norozilik namoyishlari haqida ko'plab materiallarimiz, lavhalarimiz haqida aytgan edik. Menimcha sizlar boshqa manbalar orqali ham bu narsani kuzatgandirsizlar. Mana orqamizda FIFA Go Home, FIFA yo'qol uyga degan yozuvlarni ko'ryapmiz. Suhbatdoshim mana shunday namoyishlarni tashkilotchilaridan biri, ismlari Rosa. Rosa, tell me please, why are people here right now?
People are here because they're not against football. They're against FIFA and the plans of this World Cup. They're removing people from their house, killing people in their communities, and we want this money would be applied in education and health that here in Brazil is a catastrophe.
Biz bu yerda futbolga qarshi emasmiz, biz balki hukumatimizning siyosatiga qarshimiz. Sababi 250 mingdan ortiq odamlar mana shu jahon chempionatida infratuzilmalarni qurish, yangi stadionlarni qurish, yo'llarni qurish maqsadida uydan haydab chiqarilgan va hozir boshpanasiz qolgan. Ular hali ham boshpanasiz tashqarida ko'chalarda, palatalarning ichida yotyapti. Bizning maqsadimiz FIFA o'sha pullarni futbolga emas, balki mana shu jamiyatni rivojlantirish yo'lida, ta'lim sohasida, rivojlanish sohasida yotqizishi kerak edi degan umiddamiz. So tell me please, I mean, people who are here, do they really love football or they are more about politics?
Of course they love football, but we are not blind. We want this government applies the money in health, and we want this government applies money in also in education, and that they don't remove people from their house just to construct this World Cup.
Biz futbolga qarshi emasmiz deb yana bir marta ta'kidlayapti. Bizning maqsadimiz sog'liqni saqlash tizimiga yotqizilsin, undan tashqari jamiyat rivojlansin, ko'proq uylar qurilsin deyapti. Biz rivojlanishimiz kerak Braziliya. Hayot faqat futboldan iborat emas deyapti. So do you think the government will listen to you?
I don't think so, because they are just sending people, sending the policemen. And then, if you can see this by yourself, we have here our program, that our manifestations, that our acts, and you can go and see how policemen are just in front of you. Just this is a militarized city, so we are against this. This is very bad for us. This is very worse for us than the time we have a dictatorship here.
Biz deyapti, mana bugungi kunda va undan keyin ham ko'plab namoyishlarni o'tkazmoqchimiz. Mana dasturimizni ko'rishingiz mumkin. Biz dushanba kuni hattoki Copacabanaga katta fanatlar festivalida ham borib o'z huquqimizni talab qilmoqchimiz deyapti. Lekin politsiya bunday narsalarni qilishga yo'l qo'ymayapti deyapti. Nima bo'lganda ham bizga erkinlik kerak. Biz futbolni yaxshi ko'rib, shundan birga erkin yashashimiz kerak. Bu biz uchun emas deyapti. Thank you very much. I hope the government will listen to you. O'ylaymizki, hukumat bizning ovozimizni eshitadi, lekin unga biz ishonmaymiz deyapti. Sanat Sharipov, Asxon Akbarov, Rio de Janeyrodan aynan Laba Mamsesdan FIFA.uz sayti uchun maxsus.